So when we get into qualified wages, you cannot claim the credit on an independent contractor. So your 1099 contractors, those who you do not withhold taxes from. So think about your W-2 employees. That's really who this credit is intended for. And so essentially, if you don't withhold taxes and pay those payroll taxes on an individual that does work for you, you issue them a 1099 at the end of the year. They're an independent contractor and they're not included. As to full-time versus part-time, that's an important distinction because, or it's an important question because I think there's a misconception that maybe you can't include qualified wages from your part-time employees, but you absolutely can. And so we do exclude part-time employees when we're talking about headcount. And so there is kind of a nuance and some rules around headcount and determining whether a business is a large employer or a small employer, which does change the definition of qualified wages. We don't include part-time employees in that determination, but we do include their wages as qualified wages for purposes of calculating the credit.